Let's go ahead and take another look at this week's forecast with Jim. But first, check these pictures out from Saturday night's storm captured by Mark Jackson. Jim, I was out there just witnessing this free show that we had. What a great way to spend your weekend, by the way. But I wish I would have taken some more pictures because this is great.
Amazing. It was like a natural fireworks show going on. It lasted for well over an hour and was seen all across the valley. And then the intense rain came down up through midnight around the south part of Boise especially. 1.46 inches of rain came down late Saturday night at the Boise airport. That was a record for the date. And across parts of South Boise, as much as almost 2.5 inches of rain drenched the area in a short time. Featherville in the mountain areas, anywhere from 1 to 2 inches of rain in some of those Boise mountain locations. Ontario, far to the west, had 1/3 of an inch with scattered showers on westward throughout the Treasure Valley. But at one time, Boise Airport had 4/10 of an inch of rain in just 10 minutes time, which was a real drencher. So we ended up with the wettest August ever so far in Boise. Total now of 2.51 inches of rainfall. That surpasses the previous record of 2.37 inches set back in 1968. And this is only the second time that August has had more than 2 inches of rain. Well, that rain Saturday night was also the 9th all-time heaviest rainfall for one 24-hour period in Boise. So yeah, it was uncommon, but it was a record-breaking drencher, and that lightning was just amazing. This morning, very clear across the area. Morning star, lots of stars still visible out there, but starting to see the light of the horizon on the horizon as the sun approaches sunrise, which is a little later now after 7 a.m. 69 degrees in Boise right now with south winds at 3 miles per hour and mainly in the low 60s throughout the valley areas, 50s in the mountains with clear skies across the region. And off on the coast, pretty dry under a large high-pressure ridge building across the region. But just offshore, there's a low-pressure trough. Not much moisture associated with it at all. It's going to start moving inland tomorrow and push eastward with a strong cold front over eastern Oregon by afternoon and into southwestern Idaho late tomorrow afternoon into the early evening. So we'll stay warm ahead of it. Winds will pick up out of the south, and as the front rolls through, very windy as it switches to the northwest. A few isolated mountain showers possible. The main effect of this low pressure trough will be a big cooling trend by midweek. For today, very warm in the low 90s in the Magic Valley, 92 in Twin Falls, and sunny. Mountain areas in the low 80s in most locations, maybe up to as high as 84 in McCall today. And for the Treasure Valley, mid to upper 90s this afternoon. So a very warm day, 97 in Boise and Meridian, 95 in Eagle, and low to mid 90s in the Mountain Home area. 7-day forecast shows that front coming in late tomorrow, so we stay warm ahead of it in the 90s, turning windy late in the day, and then quite breezy on Wednesday with cool air funneling in. It'll be the coolest since June, only 77 degrees. We do warm back up in the mid to upper 80s near normal through the end of the week. Those morning temperatures are going to be in the 50s. And of course, the Balloon Classic starts on Wednesday. Brendo, you and I will be there, so bundle up. It's going to be a little cool for those first couple of mornings.